treatment completely out of my hair, and my hair is so soft, super soft, very hydrated. I absolutely love this treatment. This is a new treatment for me, so I will continue to use it. I really like this DIY almond milk, honey, and my pure nettle oil. My hair is absolutely, I mean, it feels great, and the smell of the treatment is delicious. Done with my hair, I did a light blow dry, and I put my hair into 2 flat twists on each side. So this completes my video. I hope you enjoy this DIY honey hair mask treatment that is great for your scalp, great for your hair. So I hope you give it a try. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.